I'm in Janet's office right now watching the birds at the bird feeder, watching them through her window. The window has quite a bit of snow on it. Most of the birds that are coming into this feeder are the goldfinches, but we are getting some white-throated sparrows, some song sparrows, dark-eyed juncos, an occasional tufted titmouse, Carolina chickadee, and Carolina wren. And if we're lucky, we might even get a male cardinal that comes in. It's really very pretty with its scarlet red color against the white snow. There had been a lot more activity until just now. The birds do come and go. There's a Carolina chickadee that came in, a tufted titmouse, and now it's empty. But with me here, enjoying the view, I also have our cat Jasper, keeping nice and warm but enjoying the show.